Hey, and welcome. I'm Nash Rocket, and this is the Shayhem Podcast episode, episode 2. And this fellow right over here is the big kahuna. He makes all your insurance hassles less of a thing. He is, in fact, the antidote to Mayhem. Mayhem killer himself, Shay Seaver.
Thank you. Buddy. Good morning. Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm doing better than good. How about yourself?
You know what? I'm in a slightly grumpy mood today. I have to be honest with you. Look, I'm just a podcaster. I'm trying to get by in a crazy, crazy world, right? And I'm looking at myself on camera here, and I'm looking at what I'm wearing, and it looks like Timothy Leary was on a bad acid trip and blew chunks on my shirt. I don't know. What are we thinking about this shirt?
It's definitely bold, and you stick out. I would definitely be able to find you in the crowd.
So what you're saying is, whereas Waldo would not be able to conceal himself so easily in this shirt, but you know what? This is kind of not my style generally. I'm kind of a blacks and grays and neutral tones kind of guy. Man, I broke it out today. I'm kind of digging it. I don't know what the deal is. Anyway, I don't want my wardrobe to distract from your fabulous insurance tips.
No. Not at all.
A dump truck threw a rock and it hit my windshield, and now I have a crack. I got the truck number. I got the truck company. Got their phone number off the internet. Will they pay to fix my windshield, or how does that work exactly?
That's a great question. That's a very common claim when it comes to windshield on an automobile. If the chip or the crack is smaller than a quarter, it's typically considered repairable by the insurance company, and the insurance will cover that. That's about a $70 to a $90 charge from the glass company, and they repair it first at no charge to you. As far as being able to prove that rock came from that particular vehicle, you'd have to be able to prove that it came from them, that they owned that rock or debris that came from their vehicle to hit you.
I remember once I had that happen to me, and somebody came out and fixed it, and I was amazed. You know, it's just a tiny little thing, and they sat there and like squirted some glue or something in there, and it just kind of went away. I was very impressed with that technology, and this was years ago. I can imagine it's even improved.
And that'll actually be the strongest part of the windshield when they repair it compared to the rest of the windshield.
Nice. Change of pace here. How does the liability on my home insurance work? Got any tips for that, or can you bring us to a better understanding of that? That's another very great question. Liability on the home insurance is very similar to your automobile insurance, is how I like to explain it. When you're behind the wheel of your automobile, the liability from your auto insurance is protecting you while you're driving. If you hit a person, hit an object. But once you step outside behind the wheel of the vehicle, the liability from your home insurance, your renter's insurance, or your condo insurance is what's protecting you. For example, if you happen to be at a relative's house and you're cooking Thanksgiving dinner and you actually forgot to put the stove on with the grease and caused the kitchen fire, then the liability from your property policy will cover in those repairs instead of having your family member file a claim on their own home insurance policy. He is the antidote to Mayhem, Shay Seaver, and this is the Shayhem Podcast.
It's a great day with Shay Seaver. If you've experienced any of these unfortunate situations and would like to discuss further, I welcome you to call us at 615-896-SAVE. That's 615-896-7283. Have a better than good day, and thank you for watching.
The Shayhem Podcast is produced in Nashville, Tennessee by Nash Rocket Media. If we can help you realize your podcast dreams, we invite you to contact us today for a free consultation.